The voiceless TH at the beginning of a word. Thing, thing. Think, think. Theft, theft. Thank, thank. Third, third. Thickness, thickness. Thorough, thorough. Thoughtful, thoughtful. Thousand, thousand. Thinner, thinner. Therapy, therapy. 38, 38. Thesaurus, thesaurus. Theater, theater. Therapist, therapist. Therapeutic, therapeutic. Thermometer, thermometer. Theology, theology. Theatrical, theatrical. Thanksgiving Day, Thanksgiving Day. The voiceless TH in the middle of a word. Athlete, athlete. Author, author. Bathtub, bathtub. Without, without. Youthful, youthful. Southeast, southeast. Everything, everything. Anything, anything. Authentic, authentic. Authorize, authorize. Empathy, empathy. Lethargic, lethargic. Marathon, marathon. 33rd, 33rd. Pathology, pathology. Mathematics, mathematics. Authority, authority. Athletic, athletic. Authenticity, authenticity. Psychotherapy, psychotherapy. The voiceless TH at the end of a word. Math, math. Oath, oath. Smith, smith. Teeth, teeth. Growth, growth. Warmth, warmth. Truth, truth. South, south. Beneath, beneath. 50th, 50th. Underneath, underneath. 20th, 20th. Width, width. Health, health. Wealth, wealth. Length, length. Strength, strength. Worth, worth. North, north. Fourth, fourth. The voiceless TH sound in sentences. Thank you for the thoughtful gift. Do you think a thesaurus would help? The thermometer says it is 30 degrees. To get to the theater, walk 3 blocks north from the corner of 38th and Smith Road. I trained at the athletic club for the marathon. Without Mr. Smith's authorization, we can't move forward. The painting was worth $3,000. Kathy and Matthew will not participate without Ruth. The oath that he signed stated that he would always tell the truth. In math class, we calculated the length and width of the bridge.